Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to cancel Shopify subscription. So let's just say you are subscribed to a plan here and you want to cancel your subscription. First thing you should do here is you have to go to your management account. You need to uninstall application first, uninstall a third-party application, disconnect sales, channels, and devices. So if you're linked to other devices like Facebook, Google sales channels, unlink or remove them, and cancel any paid themes if there is. If you're using paid themes or integration outside Shopify, cancel those separately. You can see it right here. Next, after that, you can go back to Shopify and then you have to look for the settings option. So you have to tap settings right here and then look for the plan section or option. Now, what you're going to do first is you need to cancel any applications here or any subscription. So let's just say if this store is subscribed to any application, it is very important or you need to unsubscribe apps first because Shopify doesn't handle external application billing once the store closed. Shopify doesn't issue refunds or partial months once canceled. Your store is closed immediately unless you choose the pause and build option. So you need to unsubscribe and then proceed with the cancellation or the activation of your store. So once you have installed devices here and canceled subscription of the application, you can now tap on cancel subscription. I am not subscribed to any plan yet, but you can see it in the section in the plan option of your Shopify. All you need to do is to follow some instruction here and prompt, like they will ask you why you want to cancel, why you want to remove, why you want to stop this one. So you just have to answer and then proceed with the cancellation. So click the activate store or cancel, follow a step, select a reason, and then confirm. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.